Experiencing a frozen screen or unresponsive system in your 2021 Honda Accord? A simple reboot is often the solution. First, try a soft reboot. Press and hold the infotainment system's power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen shuts off and restarts. This clears temporary memory issues without deleting your personal data, similar to restarting a computer. If the screen is completely frozen and unresponsive, this hard reset is your first line of defense. This method resolves around 80% of minor glitches. Remember to check for available software updates via Settings, System, Software Information to prevent future issues. Honda releases updates frequently, addressing known bugs and improving overall system stability. If a reboot doesn't solve the problem, a factory reset might be necessary, but proceed with caution. A factory reset erases all personal data, restoring the system to its original default settings. What to expect from a factory reset? It erases all personal data and restores the system to original default settings. This will remove all saved preferences, Bluetooth pairings, and navigation history. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset on your touchscreen if it's accessible. If the screen is frozen, a factory reset may require using the vehicle's diagnostic port with a compatible OBD2 scanner and Honda's proprietary software, which is best left to a certified technician. Back up any important data before proceeding, as this process is irreversible. Only use this method as a last resort for persistent problems like severe software corruption. The factory reset process will take some time to complete, erasing all data and restoring defaults.